Hi, how you doing? So today what we're going to do is a mushroom potato curry. It's delicious. It's really, really good. It doesn't take that long to make at all. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is mushrooms. I've just quartered those. There's 200 grams of those quartered fresh white mushrooms, 3 regular sized tomatoes, chopped. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato, and then some potatoes. I've got roughly the same amount in volume, not in weight obviously, as the mushrooms. Now what I've done with these potatoes is I've peeled them and I've put them into boiling water or cold water and boiled them just for a few minutes. You can do this with raw potatoes, of course, but it will just take a little bit longer. We've got here 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I've got some fresh chili there. The amount is entirely up to you. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And here what I always call the big 4. If you're regular to the show, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We've got 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, cumin, chili and coriander powders. Now if you want, you could just use a curry powder mix that you already have. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to start this one off today with some mustard oil. So I've got my little pot or wok, whatever you want. Like I say, mustard oil today, beautiful flavor. If you wanted, you could use something different like a sunflower, canola, or maybe even coconut oil. That'll give it another fairly strong flavor. I'm just heating that up now. 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds in there. We're on an above medium heat. Let them do their thing in that oil. It's very pungent, this oil I have today, but really beautiful. We're now going to drop in that 1 onion, which I've sliced. And we're going to go just for 3 minutes. Next we're going to add in our garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of that. I'm going to add some salt. Now if you're using raw potatoes, i.e. uncooked potatoes, you want to get them in now. But because our potatoes have been half cooked, we're not going to do that. We're going to go in with our tomatoes. A nice ripe juicy tomato works best. And we're going to cook this for about another 4 or 5 minutes. I really want those tomatoes to break down and hopefully give off some moisture for us. So that's looking beautiful. You can see the tomatoes have really started to break down, a little bit of moisture. What we're going to do now is add our fresh chili and our spices. Let's just take a look again. Equal amounts, 2 teaspoons each of chili powder, coriander, cumin and turmeric. In that goes. We're now going to drop in our mushrooms. Like I say, about 200 grams, and I've just quartered them. You can slice them if you want. And we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. We might get a little bit of moisture from the mushrooms, depending on the type that you've used. Absolutely fabulous. Now we're going to get our potatoes that are cooked. When I say cooked, you know, they've got a little bit of body to them. They're not super soft, but they are cooked, and just really sort of speeds up the process if you cook them first. And again, let's go for about another 4 minutes. We're nearly done. Really delicious. Okay, so a little bit of water in the mix, unless you want it a kind of dry fry type thing. We're going to lower the heat down now, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. I reckon another 4 or 5 minutes. Give it a stir now, every now and then. And we've nearly done it. Okay, off goes the heat. And we've got ourselves a really beautiful mushroom potato curry. I'm going to finish this off with a couple of things. A little nice big pinch of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a lovely blend of spices. And fresh mint, which I think is beautiful in this one. Now you can put cilantro or coriander in, of course, but I think mint is really delicious for this. That's it. Check it for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Let me get that plated. And there we have it, a really beautiful mushroom and potato curry. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I hope to see you soon. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.